We fill the empty space inside statues and stupas to increase their spiritual power and blessings. If we leave them empty, it can create obstacles for us. This filling process is what we call insertion. Statues and stupas are filled with different items at different levels. At the top are items related to lamas, such as their relics and holy items. Next are items related to the tantras, such as deity statues and mantras. These are arranged according to the 4 classes of Tantra. Next are items related to the sutras and the collected works of Buddhist masters. At the bottom are items related to Dharma protectors, wealth deities, and other traditional and auspicious substances. Preparations related to the insertions for the Tsem Rinpoche Relic Temple have been ongoing in Kachara Forest Retreat for over a year. Let's take a closer look. For this project, we follow the traditional text known as the Shalkar Melong, or white crystal mirror, which provides complete and detailed instructions for every step of the insertion process. We have done our best to follow these instructions exactly. Let me give you some examples of what this entails just for the Relic Stupa alone. We prepare the live stick from a white sandalwood tree. First, we do a puja, then we cut the tree, carve it into the correct size and shape, paint it red, write mantras all around it, tie holy grass on it, then wrap it in a yellow cloth before placing it at the very center of the stupa. We collect many precious holy items of the lineage, lamas, and enlightened beings, such as their relics, bones, ashes, holy remains, robes, hair, nails, mala beads, and blessing pills. These are all very powerful and allow us to make a connection to the Dharma through them. We prepare all the insertion substances listed in the text. These include assortments of many different kinds of herbs, medicines, incense, metals, stones, teas, jewels, coins, weapons, water and soil from holy sites, water and soil from around the world, and much more. Over 900 unique items in total. These add auspicious energy to the stupa. We perform all the recommended rituals. These include the Sundrup Puja, done before insertion, to purify and bless the items. Once insertion is complete, a Rabne Puja is done for consecration and invites the Buddhas to reside in the stupa or statue. It has been quite a challenge to source for all these items in sufficient quantities. Some are rare and difficult to obtain, while others are not available in Malaysia. But thanks to our good relations with the monasteries around the world, we have been able to get as many items as we have now.
What's unique about the insertion for this project is that we are making very special, very holy relic tsatsas from Rinpoche's holy remains. A relic tsatsa is a special handmade Buddha image that contains Rinpoche's holy remains and blessed protector rice. They are very holy and very blessed. All our tsatsas are made from scratch. We make the mold, we cast the tsatsa, repair any imperfections, and consecrate them. Everything is done in-house. In total, we have 12 different deities. We did a lot of research before we decided to use hydrostone plaster and epoxy resin. These were the best choices in terms of durability, their availability in Malaysia, how quickly the tsatsas can be made, the level of expertise required, and the quality of the end result. Our goal is to make 10,000 relic tsatsas in total. So far, we have made more than 6,000 pieces. They are very blessed. The most major part of the insertion preparation is the mantras. We have 63 different types of mantras in total, such as the name mantras of Tsem Rinpoche and other lineage lamas. Then we have the mantras of different Buddhas, Idams, and Bodhisattvas. We have the mantras of different sutras. We have mantras of different Dharma protectors. We have traditional auspicious mantras and many others. Basically, we really have a lot of mantras and we have to keep track of everything very carefully. Because different mantras are inserted at different locations, especially for this project. The cloth that we are using to wrap the mantras is mostly taken from Rinpoche's Parinirvana ceremony. For example, the curtains and other decorative items. When we roll mantras, it helps us train our mind to be more focused, quiet and patient. If we are distracted or if we try to rush it, then there may be a risk of mantra becoming loose, or we may even need to redo the whole thing. It is also good to recite mantras when we roll mantras instead of just chatting or talking, because one of the benefits of rolling mantras is to purify the negative karma of speech. Currently, we are almost 70% done, meaning the mantras that are already rolled and wrapped with cloth. So actually, we are quite on track. We have printed over 3.6 million pieces of mantras so far, and we'll be printing more soon. I think in total, we will have over 5 million mantras. We are also preparing many smaller statues to insert into Rinpoche's Relic Stupa and the other big statues and stupas. Some of these statues are very small, around 4 inches. Some are much bigger, around 22 inches. In total, we plan to insert over 900 statues. For every statue, we need to clean the outside and inside. To purify it with traditional mixture, then we fill it with holy items and mantras. We paint the face with gold dust as an offering. We offer jewelry and traditional brocade clothes. We hope that all the mantras and statues will be ready for insertion in around 3 months' time. It's quite a massive project, but we are very lucky that students and volunteers are very committed and have been helping out. Some people are also helping from home because they cannot physically come here, so we send them the materials and the videos with instructions of how to roll the mantras. We really appreciate everyone's time and effort very, very much.
I volunteer because to fulfill Rinpoche's wishes and also at the same time to create or merit to help myself in my spiritual progress.
By getting involved in cultural activities, it helped me heal my leg problem and increase my good karma.
Past 1 year, I've actually been here and I've been doing a lot of artwork. For example, we have been fixing tsatsas, we have been rolling mantras, wrapping mantras. So I've gained a lot of experience through this. Not only that, it has also opened my eyes to many Dharma teachings as well that would actually help me in my personal life. I personally feel that I'm very at peace and calm when I'm in Kuchara Forest Retreat, and on top of that, I also want to personally be a part of this project and to also create the causes for Tsem Rinpoche to come back, because in this lifetime, Tsem Rinpoche has not only benefited many people, including myself, so I feel that with Rinpoche's swift return, he can actually benefit more people in the future.
So that's a quick rundown of everything that's been happening since early 2020 for the insertions for Rinpoche's Relic Stupa and Temple. If you would like to sponsor an item for insertion, please contact us.